We begin with breaking news out of the Caribbean as Hurricane Melissa barrels toward Jamaica. The terrifying storm was upgraded to a Category 5 this morning with winds up to 160 miles an hour. The people are preparing for the worst.
Stormy, stormy night. They say she was Jamaica bound, with intentions to tear her down, with vengeance in her eye. Stormy, stormy night. October back in 25. About 3 o'clock when she arrived, Melissa wasn't there. I could not imagine why kind of destruction came. Through the wind and rain, watching from a window pane as Melissa gained a play. She sat her scene for days, planning her entry route, and tried to wipe Jamaica. Stormy, stormy night. They say she was Jamaica bound, with intentions to tear her down, with vengeance in her hand. Stormy, stormy night. October back in 25. About 3 o'clock when she arrived, Melissa wasn't there. The storm is over, we shall rise. We turn from others, support our cause. Holding firm memories of the lives we've lost as we share. Melissa, the humble light through the night illuminated from our bright. How me feel wash away my stress without no water and the pipe. When time me look to the hill, someplace me never used to sight. Hidden a plain view from trees that uproot overnight. With the your shop I look for bread. Someday your road I look for zinc, to replace the roof over them head. Stormy, stormy night. They say she was Jamaica brown, the intentions to tear her down, with vengeance in her eyes. Stormy, stormy night. October back in 25. For about 3 o'clock when she arrived, and Melissa was named.